All right, man, this is the last big step on the fuel and intake side of this LT1. Thought I wasn't gonna do this, but I went ahead and painted the intake manifold orange. It just needed to be cleaned up, honestly. And of course, this last bolt is not gonna go in. You know what? This is why you don't tighten the bolts down before you get them all in. All right. All right, I'll get all these snug down here and we'll move on to the throttle body. All right, the throttle body's on, the fuel rails are on, the injectors are in. Next, I need to get the air intake elbow clean and painted. Then I can get the mass airflow sensor on, the air filter. I also replaced the fuel pressure regulator while I was doing the fuel rails. I'm gonna start cleaning this up so I can get this stuff installed. Okay, let's get this intake put together and see how it looks on the truck. All right, so these intake couplers they're still kind of rough looking. I tried to clean them up the best I could, but they just still look old, you know, so they'll work for now. I may end up replacing these. All right, did I do that wrong? Ah, shit, that's good. Let's see, is this right? This side's towards the air cleaner. Okay. There we go. Now I've seen people delete these mass airflow sensor screens before, and I'm sure on certain situations it's probably makes sense, but for my setup, it's a stock motor, so I'm just gonna leave everything stock. All right, let's get this other one on here. Cool. Okay. Last part of this air intake here. Let's see. I think I just need this one adapter here. All right, that looks pretty good. I think it'll definitely match the rest of the stuff I've been painting orange, but I have another elbow. It's more of a stock kind. It's black and it doesn't have these couplings. It's basically all one piece. So that's one thing I like about it, is I don't have to worry about these, but it's just a different look. The orange will definitely pop. So let's see how it looks on the truck. So yeah, this looks pretty good. All right, what do you think of it? Is it too much orange or does it look all right? I have this other one here. There's nothing wrong with it. You can kind of see what it looked like. I'll install this and I'll put a picture up so you can see it. I think that orange just pops. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Keep in mind, I'm gonna have, the inner fenders will be white as well, so that's gonna break some of it up there. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It looks real good, actually. I like it. I think that looks awesome. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I think we made the right call on the air intake. Let me know which one you like better, the orange or the black. I still got a lot of work to do to this thing, so if you're into this type of content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.